How to hide WhatsApp number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to be learning how we can hide WhatsApp numbers, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to basically hide your WhatsApp number, all you have to do is, now the reason that you might want to hide your WhatsApp number is maybe because, let's say you have a group, and in that group people just add you, but anyone on and off the group is able to see your number. Now unlike Telegram, like they have a feature on Telegram that will not allow anyone to publicize your number, you can't do so on WhatsApp. So unfortunately so far it is not possible. Even if I just go to settings here and I go to privacy and tab, you can see there is no option to hide my phone number. Hopefully if in the future WhatsApp might come up with a similar update, I'll make sure to update you about it, but until then there is no such feature. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.